Hi Miracle Hustlers, in today's video I will show you how to add end screen to your video. End screens are YouTube gold and you will learn how to add end screen in your video in a few minutes. But before I go into the video, I want to know what is end screen. End screen is that YouTube feature that appears on your screen towards the end of a video. It is that features that appears on your screen in the last 5 to 20 seconds of your video. So what end screen does is that it increases the retention of your video, and it also increases your chances of getting a lot of views and subscribers to your channels. End screens engage your viewers and keep them watching more and more of your video, thereby sending a trigger to the algorithm that your video is very interesting, and by so doing the algorithm is going to promote more of your videos. Let me show you how to add end screens to your video. So to perform this task, we will go to Google Chrome, type YouTube Studio desktop sites. So once that shows up, double tap or long press and an option will show up. Open in new tab in group and click on that, and click on this YouTube icon down here, and it will take you to your YouTube Studio. And you can see that our YouTube Studio is now open in desktop format. So the next thing we will do here is to click on contents. Once you click on contents, so this list of all my contents, from here I can choose any video that I want to add end screen to. Use your hand to navigate the screen. Click on the video you want to add end screen to. For example, I want to add end screen to this video. So from here you can edit the title, add description, and you can also select and add a playlist. Make sure that you set your video to not made for kids, and from here click on this pencil icon, the end screen pencil icon, and your end screen features will pop up. So you can choose to add one video and a subscribe button. You can add a playlist and a subscribe button. You can also add 2 videos. You can add a link. So what I will choose here is to add just one video and a subscribe button. So I'll click on this video here to choose the video I want to add as end screen to this other video. If you don't select any video, YouTube will automatically select a video from your channel that best suits your viewer. But for me, I would like to add a video of my choice. Click on choose specific video, and this is the video I want to add. Tap on the video that you want. Once that is done, click on save.